Hello, my name is Jay McDermott. I'm a district sales manager with Sumitomo Drive Technologies. I've been with Sumitomo about 3 years. Territory's BE10, which covers Arkansas, most of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, a couple of counties in Texas and Oklahoma, northwestern Mississippi, and western Tennessee. For this success story today, the customer is Valiant, Oklahoma. This did go through distribution. Currently, the contract is awarded to Applied Industrial Technologies. They didn't really work in the project with me. This project's been going on for 4 years now. I got involved maybe a year ago. It was involving a retrofit of some boiler screw feeders. They had 4 Cyclos, 30 horsepower Cyclos, running 16 screws, so 4 screws per Cyclo. It was run with roller chain and sprocket. The chain was a reliability issue. A lot of downtime, a lot of expensive downtime associated with the chain being in such a tight spot. So they wanted to do away with the Cyclo, and they wanted to go to direct drives for each screw. Challenge was just finding something that would fit. So we, like I said, I got involved about a year ago. We went and looked at the application, looked at the challenges that they were having, and went back to the drawing board to try to find a solution. We looked at bevel Buddybox first, but we couldn't get those to fit. So we ended up going with HBB, a 5-horse HBB. We did it in a couple of phases, 2 phases actually. We did a trial run of the first set of 4 screws during a spring outage, and we were going to give that a few months. And that proved successful. We were going to do the rest of them in the next outage. They ran for several months before the next outage, and they proved successful. So we went ahead and did the other 12 during the next outage. They looked to us because we have a strong history with this mill. We've been proven in tough applications with other projects and other product. So that's why they looked to Sumitomo, and like I said, a good history and good install base there. The cost savings, I asked IP for a cost savings, and they estimated it was $80,000 to $85,000 a year, and so it was a good cost savings, and hopefully you guys can use this in other mills as well. So if you have any questions, or I'll also send in some pictures with this as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be glad to help. Thank you.